Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 12 and the name of the lesson is Continents North and South America and Europe. Let us start North and South America. Srishti has sent the album of the pictures of the continent of North America from New York. Let us see the picture and know more about the continent of America. So children, see the picture 12.1 Natural Beauty of North America. First picture is of Rocky Chain of Mountain, second Grand Canyon, and third is Statue of Liberty. The continent of North America consists of three countries: United States of America, that is USA, Canada and Mexico. It is spread over 2.44 lakh square kilometer, that is covering almost 16% of the land area of the world. The native of this land are known as Red Indians. The new culture of America has developed because of the Europeans' interrelation of the people. Now things to know. America was named after the Italian explorer Amerigo Vespucci instead of Christopher Columbus, because though Columbus found the New World, Vespucci was the man who recognized that it was a new world. So children, see the picture of Christopher Columbus, then ship with sails, and third picture is of Amerigo Vespucci. Study the natural map of North America and write in your notebook the mountains, desert, island, lakes and sea. North America extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to Panama in the south. North Pole passes from the north of Canada. In the same way, the Tropic of Cancer passes through central Mexico. The North America continent is 9,654 kilometers long and its width from North Canada is 6,033 kilometers, which means tapering towards the south reduces to 482 kilometers. As North America is wider than South America, there are 4 standard time zones in the USA. Children, you can see map 12.2, map of North America. The northern half of North America is sparsely populated and covered mostly by Canada, except for the northwestern portion, which is occupied by Alaska, the largest state of the US, and includes the innumerous islands of Greenland in the northeast. Since these areas are usually covered with snow, agriculture is almost impossible there. When the last ice age ended about 4,000 years ago, the glaciers melted and formed North America's 5 great lakes: Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario make up the Great Lakes system. The Great Lake contains 1/5 of the world's fresh surface water, making them the largest system of fresh water on earth. The Great Plains lies in the middle of the Northern America continent. The river like the Mississippi, Missouri, and Mackenzie deposit rich alluvium on its banks, thus creating vast fertile basin known as the prairies. Agriculture is the prime occupation of this region. Wheat is grown in plenty in this region and it is popular for huge production of wheat all over the world. Two chains of mountain ranges rise to the east and west of North America. The most familiar of these mountains are the Rockies, North America's largest chain in the west and the considerably older Appalachian mountain to the east. The tallest mountain peak in the United States in Mount McKinley in the Alaska range. This is the home of the Eskimo who live in a special type of house known as the igloo. The wildlife of North America is diverse and includes animals such as the reindeer, seal, walrus, white bear, etc. Now, climate, vegetation, and wildlife. Weather varies dramatically across the Northern American landscape. Climate range from Arctic cold to equatorial heat. Precipitation and temperature level modulate dramatically depending on location. In many areas of North America, the climate is extremely cold and dry. This is known as the tundra type of climate, which spans from of which spans from most of Greenland to the mountains of Alaska to northern Canada. Central America and southern Mexico has a tropical, hot and humid climate, while the coastal areas experience heavy rainfall and a moderate climate. Severe weather in the form of thunderstorm is a normal spring and a summer occurrence across North America. Devastating tornadoes are also common in the spring and summer months, especially in the central part of the US. Deadly tornadoes devastate life and property every time a tornado strikes the USA. Children, you can see picture 12.3, specialty of continent of North America. You can see first Mount McKinley, Alaska and reindeer. Then plains of Prairies, River, Colorado, Grand Canyon. फिर Niagara Falls, volcano of Mexico, then mid-torrid forest. Children, you can see picture 12.4, wildlife of continent of North America. First picture is of seal, then whale, cod, white bear, wolf. Now, the Great Plains of North America are also home to rich deposit of iron, coal, mineral, oil, natural gas, copper, gold, silver, etc. In fact, USA ranks first in the mineral deposit in the world. Now children, you can see political map of North America 12.5, page number 94, and study the map and answer the following question: which countries are there in this continent? So this is the homework for you. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.